here with Cubing Tube.
Hi. If I say hello, it'll be less awkward. I don't know why. When I say hi, it just doesn't come out the right way.
Today we're going to be doing different cubing races, and the first one to 3 wins will win. So the first race we have is I'm going to be doing 2 Pyraminxes, while CJ's going to do 1 clock. What do you average on clock?
About high 4 or low 5.
And I average about like 2.4, 2.5 on Pyraminx. So we'll see how it goes. So of course we use WCA scrambles. So I guess inspect in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
I think I won that. I got a 714. Not great, but at least it's good enough.
I got 802.
Okay. So we both did not great. But it's 1-0 me. The next race we're gonna do is I'm gonna be doing a clock and you're gonna be doing 2 Pyraminxes now. Inspection starts now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yes! Yeah!
13.
I got 9.13, not bad, and got both sides are good. So the score is now 2-0 me. But the next one's going to be very interesting because we're both really bad at Skube. So we're going to be doing a head-to-head Skube battle. And if I win this one, then I will win the entire challenge. So, okay. 3, 2, 1, inspect. I like barely remember how to solve.
Oh boy.
I do not. Okay. But it looks like not a bad first layer. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
What'd you get?
Wait, what did you get?
5.7?
Oh, you beat me! Oh, you beat me, okay. By a little,
What'd
I
you
got
get?
6.8. 6.8. So now the score is 2-1 me. But the next race we're gonna do is 3x3. But since CJ's a little bit faster than me, during inspection, I'm gonna choose the worst cross color for her, and she's gonna have to solve on that color.
Right.
Inspection starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I'm gonna do white cross. I'm gonna have you do yellow cross.
Yellow. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I +2'd. I got an 1195. What do you get?
926.
But +2. That's not good. Alright, for the final challenge, I'm going to be solving 10 Pyraminxes, and you're solving all of the wing out clocks. So the one with 3, the one with the normal, and then the one with 5.
Yep.
Obviously, mine do not fit under a cube cover. So, alright. Inspection starts now, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. 3,
I'm ready.
2, 1, go. So hard to do this while it's okay. I'm done with 3 so far.
I forgot how this one works.
Last one.
Same. I think you're gonna win.
Yes!
I messed up the last few moves.
The thing is I plus 2, duh. Okay, wait, what did you get?
A minute 15.
Okay, I got a minute 9 plus 2, so I got a minute 11. This one, the last one, the bad one, I had plus 2. Okay, so I won the challenge 3-2. And yeah, so that's it. Make sure to use discount code CLE at thecubicle.com for 5% off your order, or code peace out at thecubicle.com for also 5% off your order. Any last words you want to say?
No, not really. Thank you for having me.
All right, bye.